The quickest way to grow your business is for people to pay you more money. This video today, I want to go over how you can get high paying clients. So in my agency journey, I've actually secured so many high ticket clients that have paid me over 10,000, 18,000. You guys get the point. I've had clients that paid me much more money than most people charge. How was I able to do that? Why do I do this? Let's talk about it all in this video. I have some notes written on my Notion, so let's go into my laptop and get started from there. All right guys, we're inside of my laptop, got the notes ready. Let's get right into it. So attracting high paying clients is the key to success for service-based business, because by raising prices, offering unique and valuable services, building expertise, and increasing perceived value, a business owner can increase revenue, improve profits, and boost its reputation. And in this report, I want to talk about how we can achieve this, from raising prices effectively to differentiating yourself in the market, improving your skills, serving the right niche, and building relationship with authority figures. So let's get right. Okay, let's first talk about why we need to actually raise prices and the benefits of raising prices, right? You attract top clients. By charging more, you attract clients who value quality and willing to pay for it. And I've had this in my agency. I've seen people that pay me more. They value you more, they understand the process, and they are genuinely the best people to work with. And when you charge cheaper prices, you attract the worst of the worst people when it comes to, providing services for them. It's not far working for them, usually with monetary issues. It comes with monetary issues when it's time to pay the invoices. Boost profits, right? The more you charge, the more profits that you have, the more you can reinvest in your business. Improve the quality. Now that you have more money, now you have resources into hiring the best people to serve those clients. Build your brand, right? A reputation for premium services will help you stand out and attract even more top clients. You gain respect. People will take you more seriously when you're charging a higher price, and you can actually back that up with your service and your work. And it reduces headaches, because I'm telling you, high paying clients are some of the best clients to have, and they are some of the least annoying clients to work with, at least from my experience. Now let's talk about how to raise prices for your service. So number one is you need to add more value, because you need to start charging more. The value has to reflect the pricing. So offering extra services or adding new features to justify the price increase is needed, right? Have a performance deal. So this is actually how I was able to get a lot of my big deals, was because I had performance deals in head with a lot of these people where I had an incentive, and if I helped them grow a lot, I was incentivized and I got paid to do so. Gradually increase the price, right? So ease clients into the change by slowly raising the prices instead of just, abruptly doing it. Be transparent. Let clients know in advance that you need to raise prices because cost is rising and your services are elevating and you're reinvesting a lot into your business. So you just need to do it. You just need to be transparent. Business owners will understand. You need to believe in your pricing as well. You need to be confident in the value that you provide and the prices that you charge. Again, you need to showcase your skills and really work on your skills. The more of an expert you are, the more you can get paid. That's how I would go ahead and raise prices. But again, to do that, I think a huge point I made in my USP videos, which I'm going to make again, is you need to be unique with your brand and your service. So be unique, right? Provide exceptional customer experience, go above and beyond to make clients feel valued and satisfied, deliver amazing results. When AI was first popping off, I was looking into how I can leverage AI to, help my clients better. And I was just trying to be unique. And again, I can't just go out and charge crazy price if my competitors can do the same. So you got to be unique in your own way. Something to notice, right? Next, improving your service is very key if you want to charge higher prices, because the skill is the key, right? The most skilled people always come out on top and always get paid the most. That's just the fact. If you provide an amazing service, people are there actually wanting to pay for it and pay that extra thousands of dollars just to get that exceptional service. So there are people out there that are willing to pay that. Are you offering the best service is one of the keys to charging high prices, is because there are people that are looking for that amazing offer, that higher price, higher premium offer. And always look to continuously improve, because that's how you stay ahead of the game, and that's how you are able to justify charging prices, because you're staying on top. You're just not another cookie cutter approach, but you're a very unique approach to that business, and you provide a very unique solution that they can't just go out and find. At the end of the day, as long as you're making your clients very, very happy, that will increase the retention, and that will also make you more money in the long term, as long as they're staying with you, right? And if you have a positive reputation and you have a lot of clients that are happy, it'll be easier for you to attract more clients like that. plus justify charging those high prices because, you know, service reflects that price, right? Next, let's talk about the niche, because something I always say is like niche is as important as a skill, right? Because budget matters. A budget the client is willing to allocate for your services depends on the niche they're in, right? So you doing marketing for a client that has a $2,000 a month budget versus someone that has a $2 million a month budget is going to be very different. For them to pay you, if a person has $2,000 as a marketing budget and they are paying you $1,500, like they're gonna feel a certain type of way and you might churn that client, versus you have a client that has, you know, 2 million is a bit extreme, but even if they have like 40,000, 30,000, 20,000 a month for marketing budget, you know, them paying you $5,000 is not as much than someone who has a lower budget. So it's not only what you do that matters, it's also who you serve that matters as well. So always look to serve niches that actually can afford higher prices, because if you just try to work for broke people, you can be doing the same skill, try to get them amazing results, provide the best service, but if they just don't have the means to pay you, then they won't be able to pay you, right? Deliver on your premium pricing promise, right? Because if you're going to charge that premium price, you want to live up to that expectation. So, you know, service needs to reflect and match your premium expectations. Make every step premium, from the onboarding to reporting to customer service to everything in between. Every aspect of your business should reflect a premium service if you want to charge a premium price. That's just the reality, because the other side of that is you charging a high price and not delivering that. And at that point, that's when you start churning clients. That's when you become a scammer, right? So you don't want to do that. And again, another thing you guys can do in order to deliver on this premium pricing is increase your perceived value, right? So how do you do that? Have a personal brand, be visible online, having a strong online presence to reach more clients and showcase your expertise, build relationship with people. This has helped me a lot with, again, client retention and also being able to close higher level people, networking and forming connections with people in the industry, partnering up with leaders, collaborate with authority figures to increase your credibility and perceived value. You know, I had my name or my brand or my agency attached to someone like Iman or Andrew Tate, right? So it's like, you know, I'm able to charge a higher price because I have my name attached to these people. So try to leverage other people by, again, this would be networking, and showcase your expertise, you know, highlight your skills and results you deliver to demonstrate to your value to your potential clients. So putting yourself out there, man, like I think that's very, very important. You guys will be surprised how much it helps your service when you do have an online presence. But yeah, guys, again, to attract high paying clients as a marketing service business, you need to offer something special and valuable. If you're going to charge a premium, make sure you're the best and you're actually reflecting that in your service and giving a premium service as well. You can't just do, you know, one or the other, and you actually got to make sure you're providing a top-notch, you know, experience and service to the people that are actually paying you. And if you do all these things I talked about in this video, guys, there's no way you won't be able to attract high-paying clients and secure some of these fat checks, right, for 10,000, 5,000, 7,000, whatever the high ticket looks like for you. If you guys want more help on when it comes to, like, you know, raising prices, I think, again, like, I have a video just on pricing. You guys can go ahead and watch that. I watch a lot of Hormozi's videos on pricing and, you know, when it came to me raising my prices. So I did a lot of that. But yeah, one of the best ways to grow your business is by charging more, and you want to be charging more, and this is the best way to do so. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys thought of the report. If you guys did watch this video till the end, please comment, I don't know, phone. We're going to use the word phone today. So please comment phone if you guys did watch this video. That is all for me today. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.